Hello Standard 2. Today I am going to teach you SST Lesson 6 Our School. Okay. Topic is Our School. When you will open Lesson 6, you will see here a building. So many questions are there related to that building. What is this building? Option is there, school or market. So you will take which building is there? School is there. So you will take in school. What are the children wearing? Children are going inside the school, going into the school. So they are wearing their uniforms. So what are the children wearing? Night suit or uniforms? You will take in uniforms. What are the children carrying? What the children carrying with them? They carrying their school bag. The children carrying their school bag. Option is there, school bags or shopping bags. So in a school, we will not go for shopping. We go for study. We go to learn good manners. We go to learn many things. Okay. So in a school, you will carry your school bag. How many children can you see in this picture? So you will count and write there. How many children is there? 4 children is there. So you will tick in 4. Okay. Now here I am Neeru. I go to City Star School. Neeru is a girl. Neeru is going in City Star School. Neeru's school name is City Star School. Okay. I study in class 2C. So Neeru is saying she is studying in City Star School and she is studying in class 2C. She is in standard 2 and her section is C. Okay. There are many teachers in my school. Neeru is saying in Neeru's school many teachers are there. They teach us many things. Neeru saying the teacher teaches us many things, many subjects, many activities, many good manners, many things. The teachers are teaching Neeru. Okay, so they teach us many things. Teachers teaches us many things. In my school, Neeru is saying there is an assembly hall in my school. Assembly hall means where you stand and get together for your morning prayer. Okay, that is called assembly hall. So there is an assembly hall in my school. In Neeru's school, one assembly hall is there. Our morning assembly is held there. What is the use of assembly hall? Assembly hall is used for our morning prayer. We stand together. Every student of the school stand together and they get their morning assembly, morning prayer. Before starting class, they do their morning prayer. School functions are also held in the assembly hall. Not only prayer, many functions, whatever function are held in school, that all function held in assembly hall. Okay. जो भी assembly hall का क्या यूज है कि सबसे पहले तो हम जब हमारी कक्षाएं शुरू होती है तो हम प्रेयर करते हैं, प्रार्थना करते हैं, उसके बाद असेंबली हॉल में ही प्रेयर करते हैं, उसके बाद हमारी कक्षा शुरू होती है. उसके बाद स्कूल के जितने भी फंक्शन होते हैं वो भी असेंबली हॉल में ही होता है. ओके. नाउ सी हियर द पिक्चर इज देयर. There is library picture. Okay, this is our library. It has many books. In library, many books are there. There you can sit and read. Take that book and you can read that. And if you're not able to read in school, you can take that book to your home and you study there. You complete your study and you can return that book. Okay. So this is our library. It has many books. In library, many books are there. related to subject also. Many types of stories, comics, these all books we are getting in our library. We read book in the library. We also get book to take home. We can read book in the library. In library places there, chair table is there. We can sit and read book there. If we are not getting time for library, we can take that book to our home also. Okay. So see here the picture of library. Library has many books. There is a music room too. In school there is a music room also. In music room children can learn many types of music. Okay. So we learn music here. We learn to play the guitar and the tabla. In the music room children learn to play guitar and tabla. Okay, so these are the musical instruments. The children can sit in the music room and they can learn how to play guitar, how to play tabla, and they can learn many music and song also. Okay, see here the picture of art room. Here the picture of art room. Children sit together and they are making art and craft. We draw and paint in the art room. In school, art room is also there. Children can sit in the art room and they can draw the picture and paint the picture. We also make craft item out of waste. Whatever waste things are there, from waste things the children make their craft work also. Means if your parents using matchbox, from matchbox, from empty matchbox you can make chair, table, sofa or wall hanging. Many types of things are there. Or many waste things you can make the artwork also, craft item also. Okay, so you can also learn how to make craft items from the waste things. There is a computer room in my school. We draw and paint on computer. Neeru is saying, or in your school also computer room is there. You can sit on the computer desk. You can make picture and you can draw the picture and you can paint on the computer. Okay, how to paint and how to draw picture, the teacher has taught you in the computer book, in computer class and computer book. We play in the playground. For playing, we are getting our game period also. So for playing, we play in the playground. In playing period, you are going to play in the playground. There are many swings in the playground. There are many swings, slides and seesaws here. Okay, swings, many types of swings are there. Slides are there. There on slides you can sit and come down. That okay, स्लाइड्स पर बैठकर आप ऊपर से खिसक सकते हैं. और फिर सी सॉ झूला भी होता है. ओके, प्लेइंग इज फन, इट कीप्स फिट एंड हेल्दी. प्लेइंग इज फन. फन मीन्स enjoyment. If you are going to play, your mind become fresh and again your mind is set for your study. It keeps us fit and healthy. The playing keeps us fit and healthy. When you are playing outdoor games, your health will be also good. So you can not play only indoor games. You can play outdoor games, so your health will be good. Okay, so here see the picture. See in this picture, this is the picture of a park. This is the picture of a playground. There many children are there. See here, I love my school. Here slides is there. One boy is coming down from slides. I keep my school clean. You have to keep your school clean. Do not make it dirty. When you are sharpening your pencil, when you get any waste paper, when you are eating toffee, chocolate and biscuit, These all wrappers, after sharpening the pencil, all things you have to put into the dustbin. Do not throw here and there. So you have to make your classroom, you have to make your school clean. We celebrate many special days in school. In school, we celebrate many special days like as 15th August, 26th January, Gandhi Jayanti, Chacha Nehru birthday. Okay, these all types of national festivals we can celebrate. We can celebrate in the school. I share my lunch with my friends. When your friend not bring lunch from their house, you can share your lunch with your friend. Okay, so school time is fun time. If you are coming in school, you can enjoy, you can study, you can learn many good things, you can learn good manners and or many other things. Okay, so you have to read this lesson carefully. After that, I will send you word meaning. Complete that word meaning and learn, and then question answer complete in your copy. Thank you, class.